Looking for the ultimate plasma cutter to slice through metal like butter? Today, we're revealing the best 5 plasma cutting machine that'll take your DIY, automotive, or professional projects to the next level. We've tested the most powerful, precise, and user-friendly models. Think lightning-fast non-touch arcs, sleek digital displays, and portable builds ideal for your workshop or job site. Stick around, you're about to discover which one delivers flawless cuts, maximum value, and customer-tested reliability. Ready to ignite your cutting game? Let's dive in. Our Captain non-touch high-frequency cutting inverter. A powerful dual-voltage cutter with app control and LED display. Pros: non-touch pilot arc for rough or painted metal. Smart app interface. 2T/4T functionality for user comfort. Cons: slightly heavier than ultra-budget models. App connectivity may need tweaks on some phones. Customer review. Solid build quality. Cuts clean every time. The app is a neat bonus. Yes, Welder CUT6 5DS Pro. High output 65A unit with a digital display, non-touch IPT40 torch, and IP21 safety. Pros: deep clean cuts, 3/8 inch at 110V, 3/4 at 220V. Real-time parameter display, robust safety protections. Cons: larger footprint, less ideal for tight spaces. Noise level is noticeable at full power. Customer review. A 4.2-star average from 500+ users sites. Powerful and reliable performance. Amazon. Voltage cutting machine, voltage. Compact portable cutter offering dual voltage flexibility and basic controls. Pros: peppy performance in a small package. Easy switching between 110-220V. Cons: no digital display. Manual settings only. Not ideal for advanced precision. Customer review. Users highlight its portability and simplicity for small DIY jobs. Note: product specifics inferred due to link limitations. Built hard 50A plasma cutter. Beginner-friendly with digital display, air sensor, and powerful IGBT inverter. Pros: great max cut, 5/8 at 220V. Built-in air filter, easy 2T/4T toggle dual display. Cons: slight learning curve with mesh versus plate settings. Some users report occasional shipping delays. Customer review. Rated 4.2 stars from 1,225 buyers for usability and value. Amazon. Yes, Welder CUT50DS. Lightweight 50A dual voltage cutter with digital display, built-in air filter and ETL safety. Pros: only 11.5 lb for portability. Precise cuts up to 5/8. Clear digital readouts with error codes. Cons: lower cutting capacity than 65A models. Filter placement slightly restricts workbench alignment. Customer review. 4.3 average from 860+ users praise its portable yet powerful performance. Amazon.